Ever wonder how one of the most iconic handguns in the world is made? Today we going behind the scenes at the Magnum Research factory to witness the incredible journey of the Desert Eagle, from a simple block of steel to a legendary firearm. Get ready, because you're about to see the entire high-precision process. It all starts with raw, high-quality carbon steel. These heavy blocks and bars are the foundation of the Desert Eagle's strength and durability. The first major step is CNC machining. These massive, multi-million-dollar machines are the heart of the operation. Guided by precise digital blueprints, they carve out the intricate shapes of the slide and frame with incredible accuracy. Watching the robotic arms and cutting tools work is like watching a symphony of engineering. They can transform a solid block of steel into a recognizable slide in a matter of hours. A process that would be impossible to do by hand with this level of precision. Once the main component, they're not nearly strong enough. That's where heat treatment comes in. The parts are heated in special furnaces to over 1,600 degrees Fahrenheit and then rapidly cooled. This process, called quenching and tempering, completely changes the molecular structure of the steel, making it incredibly hard and resilient, ready to handle the immense pressures of the 50 Action Express cartridge. Now, let's talk about the barrel, the soul of any firearm. The barrel starts as a solid steel rod. First, it's drilled through the center to create the bore, so it's called gun drilling, and it has to be perfectly straight. Magic of rifling. A special button is pulled through the barrel under immense pressure, engraving the spiral grooves inside. These grooves are what grip the bullet and make it spin, giving the Desert Eagle its legendary accuracy. Every barrel is meticulously inspected to ensure the rifling is flawless. After machining and heat treatment, every single part goes through a rigorous deburring and finishing process. Skilled technicians meticulously smooth every edge and surface by hand and with specialized tools. This isn't just for looks. It ensures that all the moving parts will interact flawlessly, without any friction or snags. This attention to detail is crucial for the gun's reliability. The parts are then given their final finish. Whether it's the classic black oxide or one of the many custom Sirocco T options available, protecting the steel from corrosion and giving it its signature look. Finally, it's time for assembly. Here, expert gunsmiths bring all the precision-made components together. They carefully fit the trigger group, the slide, the barrel, and all the small pins and springs. Each gun is assembled by hand, one at a time. This isn't an assembly line. It's a craft the gunsmiths can feel when the parts fit together perfectly, ensuring that satisfyingly smooth action the Desert Eagle is known for. But it's not done yet. Every single Desert Eagle that leaves this factory has to be test-fired. In a secure test bay, each pistol is loaded and fired with proof rounds, which are much higher pressure than standard ammunition. This is the ultimate test of strength and safety. The gun is then function tested with standard ammo to ensure perfect cycling and ejection. Only after passing these grueling tests does it receive its final proof marks. From a chunk of raw steel to a finished, test-fired icon. The creation of a Desert Eagle is a stunning blend of high-tech manufacturing and old-world craftsmanship. It's a testament to the dedication to quality and precision that goes into every single pistol. Thanks for joining us on this tour of the Desert Eagle factory. What part of the process did you find most fascinating? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this look behind the curtain, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next video. See you next time.